Hi and welcome to the luxurious 5-star resort of the Sofitel Hotel in Bali, Indonesia. In November 2023, I spent 5 nights in the upscale area of Nusa Dua, which is surrounded with luxury resorts. And this area has a completely different feel to the rest of the island. Let me take you around the luxury room where I stayed. So my review. According to reports, this resort opened in December 2013 and is the first Sofitel luxury hotel's entry into Indonesia. The in-house restaurants are very expensive. On my first day of arrival, I just wanted something light, so I ordered some French fries, which cost almost $6 and the portions were very minimal, to say the least. This is a large complex offering 413 rooms. The rooms are okay, but they are a little worn in places, i.e. around the faucets. And there was only one USB port, but unfortunately it was broken. With Sofitel to keep up with its competitors, I would strongly recommend a full refurbishment of all rooms within the next few years. Other areas of improvements I would make would be to install a full-length mirror which is not situated inside the closet, and also placing USB ports across the room. Overlooking the balcony had a back garden feel to it, but it was very well maintained. As the hotel is so large, it has got an all-inclusive feel to it, but unfortunately it's not all-inclusive. The package I booked included a buffet breakfast, but there are some other options available which also include breakfast, an evening meal and a bottle of wine. So would I stay at this hotel again if I ever return to Bali? Probably not. I would try a different hotel for a totally new experience. So if you found the video quite informative, please remember to hit that like button, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.